Bakit ito? Yeah.
You can put one in the middle here. If you want.
Yes, magaganda lahat ng hotel dito. Pinili mo lang yung pinakamahal.
Welcome to Bulgari Resort Bali and have a pleasant stay.
Ikaw na magbigay ng tip sa kanya. Bigyan mo na lang siya.
So later we will do refreshment first at the lobby.
Meron
and
kami
after that
binigyan
we
kita
go around the resort.
We would like to go to Villa 12.
Villa 12.
Yeah. Villa 12 now.
Tapos, pag inaantok
Or do we have to go to the reception first, or we can go straight to Villa 12 now?
I will inform
but we
the
have to
bus.
check in Chi kasi may mga bag.
Okay.
Yung mga bubol. Ay, lisip yan kaya kahit wala siya. Then, I'm going to have this. Is this. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Malamig actually. I like the weather. Humawak ka, Manny. Hawak ka, Manny. Hawak lang. O, suka ka dyan. Jet lag na yan. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh. Okay. Let's go. This is it. So, and there's the sea. So this is what we have here.